The class planning tool in iPlan, also known as a Grad Plan, is a powerful tool that will help you think ahead and utilize your time and resources efficiently while at BYU-Idaho. To access your plan, go to iplan.byui.edu and sign in.
Click on the Grad Planner button to see the My Plans page.
This shows any plans you have created.
If this is your first time in Grad Planner, you will only see one plan that is based on your declared major. Click View Plan.
Everything required for graduation is in your grad plan. All of your major requirements, general education classes, and any required electives are already in your plan. Each requirement comes in two types: required classes and placeholders. For future semesters, required classes are automatically uploaded based on recommendations from faculty and advisors.
Plan courses display the course title and code and the credit total. This class is required for graduation. Click on the pencil to view the course details. Remove the planned course, move the course, or adjust the number of credits. A placeholder is used when you have an option to fulfill a requirement. A placeholder can be identified by the plus on the left-hand side of the placeholder.
In place of a course title and code, an empty placeholder lists the requirement and how many credits are needed to fulfill that placeholder. To plan a course for a placeholder, click on the plus in the placeholder. You will see a list of possible courses to add on the right-hand side of the page. If you want to know more about a particular class before you plan it, you can read its course description by clicking the View Details link for that class.
When you are ready to plan a course, click the plus icon next to the course title and course code. This will insert the course in your plan and will now display in the semester and placeholder you chose. A course may be highlighted red if the prerequisites for the course have not been met. If this is the case, the words requisites required will also display.
To see more detail about the prerequisites, click the triangle with the exclamation point and choose Course Details. This screen will tell you what course or groups of courses need to be planned before you take this course. To move courses, you can click the pencil icon and select Move Course. Then select the desired semester and the course will be moved. If you are in the All Semesters view, you can also click a course and drag it to a different semester.
To complete your grad plan, you will need to fill in every placeholder on your plan, make any needed changes to fulfill any prerequisite requirements, and resolve any planning errors. Once everything looks good, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the green Validate button. If there are no errors in your plan, the plan will approve and you are ready to follow your plan towards graduation. If there are errors in the plan, it will come up as invalid.
At the top of the page, it will show what errors there are and what you need to fix to get an approved plan.
If you have trouble fixing the errors, contact an advisor through the Grad Plan tool, or you can schedule an appointment with the advising office. After you have an approved plan, you can always move classes around as needed and then validate the plan again.
Finally, if you want to start your planning process over, you can click the Reset My Plan button below the Validate button. This will remove all courses you have previously planned and allow you to restart with a fresh grad plan. That's it! You are on your way to becoming a class planning expert. Check out our other tutorial videos to complete your training and further impress your roommates and that special someone that sits next to you in your religion class.